Hello everyone. It is very cold here in England. It's -2 degrees, and I've just come to the park with my daughter just to keep fit. So we're just playing around. Kick the ball. Oh, don't hit the post. Okay. No. Look.
How are you able to do that?
I'm not able to do that. I'll show you.
I want to try.
Huh? It's an old trick, look. Ah.
I want to try.
Try. We're gonna do some skipping as well.
Guys, we might skip.
I'll see if I can do 100 skips. It's very cold. Okay, move away from the post. Come this side. Okay.
Angel wants to wear the hat.
We've come with Angel. And Angel's gonna wear my hat.
Angel wants to be the referee.
Angel wants to be the referee.
Yeah. He likes to.
Pass it to me. This side. You need to kick it hard. Oh, come on. I'm gonna do some more skipping anyway. Whilst my daughter's doing a kickabout. I think I did about 118. Let me see if I can do more than that. Thank you, Anne, for watching. Oh, what's that?
It's a happy rapper.
Let's go. hit the ball. Don't hit the post. You will drop the camera.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I should only hit this.
No, this side. Go and Billy. Okay, here we go. Oh. Oh. Jesus. Jesus. This is very cold. Oh my God. Come bring the ball.
I want to do something. Dad, I think I did one.
Huh?
I think I did one on my truck. But just on this side. Soon.
Not so close to the Who? Oh God, it is very, very cold here. But I'm with my little angel. Okay.
So, where's the... This is gonna go.
Okay. Let's see if we can do some more skipping. Okay.
She kicks it.
Always take short breaks if you're doing this. It's very demanding on your oxygen. Chest compressions Hey, bring the ball. Okay. Let's see if we can reposition this camera. Okay, let's put it here. Nice. Hello?
How about we go to the training center?
Where?
Oh, somewhere. I think somewhere over there. Dad, let's go.
No, can't. Oh, sorry. I've tampered with it. It was okay. Why did I tamper with it? Don't try and fix something if it's working. Oh my God.
What? No. Dun dun dun.
Done. Okay. Anyway, here we are. Amson Park.
Let's get your
Show you
out.
around. It's cold actually here. Only a few people playing. You want us to go?
Yeah, let's go to the woods.
Okay, let's go to the woods. Let's go to the woods. We got black and white ice here, so you got to be careful. What do you want to do? Huh? Mm-hmm. Hello. Where? Do you want us to go back home? She loves to explore, so she just wants to go on and on playing. Of course, these kids spend a lot of time indoors. So when you bring them out, they like it. So she brought me to this tree. It's a big tree. Let me show you. Look at that. Massive tree. Massive tree. What's Angel doing here now?
It's the biggest tree in the world.
Really?
Yeah,
In the world?
I think so.
How did you know?
I've been here
Huh?
before.
You've been here before?
Yeah, I've
But-
been here before. You, Mom.
But you can't say this is the biggest tree in the world. That is a big fact to make because there's so many trees.
Dad, I think it is. I'm not sure. It's really the biggest. It's really gigantic.
It's really gigantic.
Even Angel's sitting right here. I can
Yeah, Angel is enjoying.
see it.
Angel likes it. Oh la la. Well, me, I'm freezing now. I think it's time that we, let's go home. Let's go home now. No, let's go. It's getting too cold now. Come on, baby. Let's go now. It's getting too cold. Bring my hat. Yeah, I should wear my hat. Otherwise, I'll put my hoodie on. All right. So I had to come out because I've been indoors and it was really getting pretty boring, and you begin to feel your body gaining weight because of inactivity indoors. So though we are in lockdown, we can still come out and go to the park as long as you're a member of your family, or maybe you can meet up with one person from another family. But here I am with my princess, my angel. Say hello.
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 Angel said hi.
And Angel said hi. Yeah.
I see the car.
So now we're gonna just go home and eat
There's a car next door.
our dinner.
Oh, I miss that place. It's got tons of snow there.
Yeah. See, a lot of snow, isn't it?
I never knew that there was tons of snow on that slide.
Everywhere. There's tons of snow everywhere. So everywhere, tons of snow, isn't it? Well, do I still have the car keys? Yay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah. Get into the car. Wow. The door's open. Oh, okay.
Now in the car. So we're just gonna head home.
Yeah,
Oh, he's still recording.
still recording. So now just go. Make sure you fasten your seatbelt,
Okay.
right?
Angel,
You and Angel.
yeah. We're gonna help Angel to put.
Well, thank you so much for watching. It was just an outing just to keep fit.
Yeah.
And I hope that you can do the same.
It was more like a once.
Okay.
It's just a
So bye now. God bless you.
bye.
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 What about Angel? Is Angel going to say bye?
Bye.
Yay. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
All right.